Hello. In this video I'm going to be talking about installing windshield wipers on my 2016 Subaru Outback, and these instructions should work for other Subarus in the same model years and probably a lot of other Subaru models in general, but these are the wipers I'm using. I have a Bosch Icon, I have a 17B and a 26A. I'll also be doing the rear, but these are my favorite wiper here. My favorite replacement wiper. They're almost like a spring steel, but they don't get bound up with snow and ice. They have good performance, and I'll put a link in the description to these. And if you like this video, if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit with my Amazon affiliate link. It doesn't cost you a thing extra. But to get started, what you want to do is there's a little tab here, and I had to start on some of this because I only have one hand to work with, but you pop that tab loose with a screwdriver. So once that's open, this one's kind of pulled down, then you push down on the wiper, and then it'll come off and you have a hook here. Okay, put the other wiper off to the side. Then we get the new wiper out here, and you'll squeeze this tab and open it up. As you see here, we'll stick the hook through that end, hook it over there and pull. Typically we'd use two hands to do this. Okay, there we go. We see the curved area here, and these clips are kind of over it, and then we press that back down, and that one is done. So this other wiper is the same. I'll do that offline. I don't want to bore you with that, but then I'll go to the rear real quick. And the rear wiper I'm using here is it's a Bosch rear H354. So for the rear, we just lift the wiper up and pull towards the bottom, and that'll snap it loose like that. And you see there's a little curved area on here. The new one looks nearly identical. We'll stick that on so the curved area matches up. And we'll hook the wiper on that loop in there, and then we'll just bend it back in place. There we go. So yeah, and again, two hands would be a lot easier with this. Then we snap it back in place and we're done. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and thanks for watching. Bye.